Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Considine, and today I'd like to talk about a condition that I see commonly in our chiropractic clinic called acute cervical torticollis. Torticollis is a condition that we see commonly in our clinic, and it's due to a spasm of your SCM muscle, which is your sternocleidomastoid muscle. And most patients wake up with the spasm after sleeping in a poor position. In our office, we begin by doing a range of motion and orthopedic assessment to check to see how much movement you have in your neck and to rule out more serious conditions like herniated discs or nerve compression. We can also use x-rays to further confirm that this is a muscle spasm and not an underlying condition. Treatment for torticollis typically involves gentle chiropractic adjustments, some soft tissue work, and some electric muscle stimulation here in the clinic to help relax the muscles, restore mobility, and get you feeling back to normal. So if you've ever woken up with a stiff neck, give us a call and we'll be happy to help.